Assalamu alaikum. This is Bannoo city. I am stuck in traffic since 2 hours and I am focusing on my wristwatch. It's now going to become 11. The traffic guys are totally failed to control the traffic. They are very ill trained to control the traffic. They do not have a good coordination among them own selves, and the two lanes, it's a square and all the lanes are colliding with each other and they are failed to control the traffic. When I contacted the authorities concerned in Bannoo, so they reportedly told me that there is a PTM agitation somewhere in Bannoo city, that's why the traffic is out of control. I am requesting the authorities concerned and the Deputy Commissioner Bannoo to take notice of this grave situation and do something positive in this regard. The ladies sitting in Shingshi and other vehicles are literally suffocating, and it's very scorching heat and it's August 3rd, so kindly do something. I appeal to the authorities concerned in this connection. Thank you.